Sigma males don't settle for cookie-cutter jobs. These are the types of men who would rather be caught dead than stuck in a cubicle under fluorescent lights. They are paradoxical, present yet unreachable, fiercely independent, and allergic to office politics. Climbing the corporate ladder, forget it. For them, it's tedious and uninspiring. So, what kind of work appeals to a Sigma male? It has to allow them to focus on their craft, operate on their own terms, and skip the obligatory office small talk. Their ideal career isn't just about paying the bills. It's about freedom, challenge, and maybe even a touch of adventure. Below, we've rounded up some badass careers that are tailor-made for Sigma males. These roles will let them thrive while avoiding needless small talk and societal constraints. If you're tired of recycled career advice and want options that resonate with a Sigma mindset, read on. Let's explore these unique career paths that allow Sigmas to forge their own path quietly, of course. Point 1. Freelance detective or investigator. Freelance detective work is a dream job for Sigma males. It combines independence, curiosity, and raw analytical skill. In this role, he's his own boss, tackling mysteries without being confined by office walls or rigid schedules. No clocking in, no pointless meetings, just his instincts and the clues. This job is pure mental adrenaline, perfect for someone who loves complexity and problem solving. Sigmas thrive on untangling webs of deceit, reading between the lines, and uncovering hidden motives. Every case is a new intellectual challenge, a mental workout where his sharp eye for detail gives him an edge. The freelance detective world thrives on individuality and relentless drive. For a Sigma, this isn't just a job, it's a way to embrace autonomy, intellectual stimulation, and discovery, all while staying out of the limelight. 2. Cryptocurrency trader or blockchain specialist. Cryptocurrency trading and blockchain specialization are tailor-made for Sigma males who value independence, sharp instincts, and a fast-paced environment. There's no 9-to-5 grind, no office gossip, and no micromanagement, just a volatile market that rewards the most strategic and adaptable minds. Sigmas thrive in the chaos of constant market shifts, using logic, intuition, and calculated risk-taking to stay ahead. The emerging blockchain industry offers them a cutting-edge space to innovate, free from outdated corporate structures. In the crypto world, success is built on understanding complex systems, predicting trends, and maintaining focus amidst uncertainty. For a Sigma male, this isn't just a career. It's a thrilling arena for independence and innovation, perfectly aligned with his lone wolf mindset. 3. High-end antique or artifact dealer. For a Sigma male, being a high-end antique or artifact dealer offers the perfect blend of independence, intuition, and intellectual curiosity. This career eliminates corporate hierarchies and rigid structures, replacing them with the excitement of uncovering rare treasures and connecting with history. Navigating this niche market requires expertise, patience, and an eye for the extraordinary. Each artifact tells its own story, offering Sigmas the chance to immerse themselves in its origins and value. This field rewards depth of knowledge over shallow networking, allowing Sigma males to build their reputation on authenticity and expertise. For them, it's not just a career, it's a lifelong pursuit of independence and the satisfaction of uncovering overlooked treasures. 4. Professional solo traveler and blogger. Being a professional solo travel blogger is an ideal fit for a Sigma male's need for freedom, self-expression, and independence. In this role, he's free from office constraints, constantly exploring the world on his own terms. This career gives him complete control over his narrative, allowing him to share unfiltered and genuine experiences. For a Sigma, the journey is the reward, and solo travel blogging lets him capture the world through his unique perspective. Each post becomes a raw and honest account of his observations, written without chasing approval or likes. For a Sigma, this isn't just a job, it's a way of life, one that celebrates exploration, independence, and authenticity. Point 5. Freelance photographer in war zones. Freelance war zone photography is the ultimate career for Sigma males seeking authenticity and adventure. This role demands technical skill, resilience, and a fearless spirit. It's not about glamour. It's about bearing witness to the raw truths of human experience. In chaotic environments, a Sigma male thrives, capturing moments that others might avoid. His work speaks to his courage, creativity, and dedication to shedding light on harsh realities. The freedom of freelance work allows him to operate independently, choosing which stories to tell and how to tell them. For a Sigma, this career isn't just a job, it's a calling that combines artistry, truth, and the thrill of living on the edge. Point 6. Martial arts instructor or private security consultant. Sigma males thrive in roles that require discipline, resilience, and expertise, making martial arts instruction or private security consulting an excellent fit. As martial arts instructors, they inspire others by teaching not just physical skills but also mental strength and emotional control. They value respect earned through genuine mastery rather than superficial traits, which aligns perfectly with this role. Operating their own dojo or offering private lessons grants them the independence they crave while allowing them to leave a meaningful impact. Similarly, private security consulting involves assessing risks, creating protection strategies, and ensuring safety for individuals or organizations. This career leverages their analytical minds and calm demeanor, making them reliable in high-pressure scenarios. Both professions allow Sigma males to maintain autonomy, build trust, and excel without the constraints of hierarchical systems. Point 7. High-stakes chess player, professional strategist. For Sigma males who excel in strategic thinking and intellectual challenges, high-stakes chess or a career as a professional strategist offers fulfillment. Chess requires intense focus, deep analysis, and the ability to anticipate opponents' moves, traits that Sigma males naturally possess. This career provides mental stimulation and solitude, both of which appeal to their independent nature. Alternatively, working as a professional strategist allows them to solve complex problems in fields such as business, military planning, or gaming. These roles demand creativity, foresight, and logical reasoning, giving Sigma males the opportunity to grow intellectually and achieve success without excessive social interaction or conformity. Point 8. Survival show host, remote outdoor specialist. For Sigma males who find solace in nature and thrive on challenges, becoming a survival show host or outdoor specialist is an ideal career path. Hosting a survival show allows them to demonstrate resilience, resourcefulness, and self-reliance, inspiring audiences with their ability to adapt to harsh environments. This role enables them to combine adventure with education, showcasing their unique skills while maintaining creative independence. Alternatively, working as a wilderness guide lets them lead others through remote terrains, teaching survival techniques and fostering self-reliance. Both careers resonate with their desire for freedom and their ability to operate effectively in solitary or unconventional environments. 9. Personal intelligence and risk consultant. Sigma males' analytical minds and natural discretion make them exceptional personal intelligence and risk consultants. This career involves assessing potential threats, devising strategies, and offering guidance to individuals or organizations. It appeals to their love of problem-solving and their ability to think critically in high-stakes situations. Whether addressing physical security risks or crafting complex cybersecurity plans, they thrive in roles that demand expertise and confidentiality. This career provides intellectual stimulation and independence while allowing Sigma males to make impactful contributions without succumbing to rigid corporate structures. Point 10. Rogue AI trainer or specialist. The cutting-edge field of artificial intelligence is a perfect match for Sigma males who enjoy solving intricate problems and pushing technological boundaries. As rogue AI specialists, they can focus on creating ethical AI systems, mitigating risks posed by rogue algorithms, or developing innovative solutions for AI-related challenges. This role allows them to work independently, think creatively, and engage with a field that constantly evolves. The opportunity to shape the future of technology while solving complex issues aligns with their desire for intellectual growth and meaningful work. Point 11. Undercover journalist. Undercover journalism is a career that aligns with Sigma males' courage, independence, and passion for uncovering the truth. This role allows them to expose corruption, injustice, and hidden realities by delving deep into investigative work. Sigma males excel in navigating complex situations and finding unique perspectives, making them well-suited to this demanding yet rewarding career. The solitary nature of the work appeals to their preference for authenticity over superficiality, and the freedom to pursue stories that resonate with their values gives them a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Point 12. Mountain or wilderness guide. For Sigma males who appreciate solitude and self-reliance, becoming a mountain or wilderness guide offers a fulfilling career path. This role allows them to lead others through challenging terrains while sharing their survival skills and love for nature. It combines the independence they value with the satisfaction of making a meaningful impact on others. Guiding in remote environments provides the perfect balance of solitude and connection, allowing them to showcase their expertise and inspire trust and respect through their actions. 13. Professional strategist, game designer. Sigma males' combination of creativity and logic makes them well suited for roles in strategy or game design. As professional strategists, they can craft innovative solutions for challenges in business, technology, or competitive gaming. This career rewards their ability to think critically, plan ahead, and navigate complex systems. Alternatively, game design allows them to create intricate worlds and systems, blending imagination with analytical skills. Both paths provide intellectual stimulation, independence, and opportunities for growth, making them ideal for Sigma males seeking careers that align with their strengths and values. If you found these insights helpful, feel free to leave a comment. If you're unsure about what to say, simply write 100% to let us know you watched until the end. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, we invite you to subscribe now and become part of our channel. Thank you for your attention. Until next time.